Hi guys, it's Sierra from Lawrence Kia. Today I'm going to talk to you guys about your vehicle's auto shut-off feature if it comes equipped with it. I'm sitting in a 2021 Kia Sorento and it does come with it. This feature is designed to shut your car off at an interval of time if your vehicle is pretty much not at use. It's designed to save on fuel consumption and save your car's energy just to prevent the risk of carbon monoxide poisoning. Okay guys, to make use of your vehicle auto shut-off system, you can use this button right here, as you know, to go through the different pages on your cluster up here. So if you go to, press it till you get to user settings. If you go all the way down to convenience, go down and you'll see at the very bottom is vehicle auto shut off. If you click that, this is how you can adjust the time to either shut off at 60 minutes, 30 minutes, or you can completely disable it if you just don't want it on. To activate the system, the ignition must be switched to the on position, the vehicle must be in park, the driver's seatbelt must be unfastened, and this only activates after the driver door is opened after initially getting into the vehicle. And that's how you make use of your vehicle's auto shut-off system. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below and also hit that like and subscribe button as well. Thank you for watching.